Good morning, children. Now let's third and fourth question. Do it as homework. Okay, solve this as homework. The last one we'll see, that is the fifth question. Box is given. Then box is given means these two values are not known. First one is not known. Second one is 38. Then three unknown boxes. These terms are not known to us. Okay, and then the last term is given as minus 22. Okay, so now this is already, it is given as, this is your AP series. AP means difference will be same. So now you can write let A B X. A is what? First term. So that means A equals to A1 equals to what? X. Okay. Now B will be what? B equals to A2 minus A1. Here what is A2? A2 is 38, because we know that this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4, this is A5 and this is A6. Okay. So B3, that is equals to what? 38, because A2 is 38 minus what is A1 we have taken? X. So this is our D. Now which value is given after that? You can see that A6th value is given. So you can write A6 equals to A plus 6 minus 1 into D according to elect formula. So now A6 value is given as what? You can see there A6 is minus 22 equals to what is the value of A? That is X plus 6 minus 1 will be 5 into what is the value of D? That is 38 minus X. Minus 22 equals to X plus multiply this 5 8s are 44, 5 3s are 15 plus 4 will be 90. 190 minus 5x implies bring all this side, it will be how much? 22 equals to, here it will be X, this X, bring this all constants to one side, it will be 190 equals to how much? Minus 4x, because x minus 5x implies this will be how much? 212 equals to minus 4x. Both the sides minus sign is there, so that will be cancelled off. So implies both the sides negative sign is there, so that will be cancelled off. So x will be equals to 212 upon 4. So on cancelling we will get 53. So now what is the value of x? X equals to, thus you can write x equals to 53. That means the first term is known to us because we have taken first term as what? X. So A equals to A1 equals to 53. This is the first term. Now what is the unknown one? That is A3 we have to find out. So A3 equals to, what is that? A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Now put the values of A and B. So before that we need to find what? D. Okay. So here you can write D equals to what? 38 minus X, which will be equals to 38 minus 53. So on subtraction of this, what you will get? Minus 15. So value of D is what? D is minus 15. Okay. So now put the values of X and D here. X means the first term, that is what? 53. Now plus 2 into what is the value of D? That is minus 15. So how much it will be? Equals to 53, and therefore now 53 minus, because plus into minus will be minus, 15 to the 30. So it will be equals to how much? When you subtract, how much you will get? 23. So A3 is how much? 23. Okay. Then next what you are going to find? A4. So A4 will be equals to A plus 4 minus, because nth formula same you will write, into D, which is equals to how much? A value is 53 plus 4 minus 1, 3 into D value is how much? Minus 15. Okay, so which will be equals to 53 plus into minus minus multiplication 45. So how much you will get? 8. So A4 is how much? Equals to 8. And the next one, what you have to find? A5. A5 equals to, again same way, nth term formula you will write. So 5 minus 1 into D. Now substitute the value. A is 53. A 53 plus 4 minus 1 will be 5 minus 1 will be 4 into D is what? Minus 15. That is equals to 53 plus into minus minus and then 60, which will be equals to how much? Minus 7. Is it not? So minus 7. So A5 is how much? Minus 7. So you can write therefore or thus the unknown numbers, the unknown ones terms will be A1 equals to 53, then A3 equals to 23, and A4 equals to 8, and A5 equals to minus 7. Answer. Okay. Exercise 5.2, fourth question. Which term of AP series is 3, 8, 13, 18, ... is 78. Okay. Now let us see the solution of it. Okay. So here in the series we will write 3, 8, 13, 18, ... means which type of series it is? Which type of AP? That is infinite series or infinite AP. Okay. Is 78. Okay. Is 78 means which term it is asked. Means n is not known to us. We have to find what? N. So here in this series, what is A? So A equals to what? The first term. A. First term equals to what? What is the first term? You can see there. What is it? 3. So 3 is our first term. Okay. Now D, how will you? Already it is given that AP. It is in AP. AP means common difference will be same. So now D will be equals to what? A2 minus A1, or you may go for A3 minus A2. So here it will be A2 minus A1 will be what? 8 minus 3, which is equals to how much? 5. Same you can check here also by applying the value of A3 and A2. Okay. A3 is what? 13 minus A2 is what? 8. Equals to what? When you subtract you will get 5. Means everywhere you can see the D value is same because it is already in AP it is given. So D is what? D equals to what? 5. And we have to find this, we have to find. Okay. Because n's terms are there. Which term it is given. So nth term you have to find. Where which term of the AP is 78. Means what? An is given as 78. Means nth term, let that 78 is the nth term of the series. Okay. Which is equals to 78. Okay. We are assuming that 78 is the nth term of the AP. Okay. So An will be equals to 78. Clear? So now general formula of An series, that is nth term of AP we know. Now we can write the nth term of AP equals to 78. Now what is this? That is An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This formula we know, that we will apply here. Now implies what is A nth term? That is 78. So 78 put here equals to, now what is the value of A? That is 3. You can see here first value is 3. So 3 plus n we do not know, we have to find. Okay. And D is what? 5. So now we have to simplify this. So 78 equals to 3 plus 5, you will multiply with n and with minus 5. So you will get like this. Now 78 equals to minus 5n minus 2, because plus 3 minus 5, it will be minus 2. Now on transposing, what you'll get? 5n equals to 78 plus 2, which is equals to how much? 80. So implies n will be equals to 80 upon 5. So on cancelling, what you'll get? 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30. So nth term is what? N equals to 16. That means you can write therefore nth n equals to 16th term of AP is 78. Answer. Understood, children? Clear? This is clear to everyone. Now let us move to that fifth question. Two parts are given. So first part we will solve and second part will be your homework. Okay? Now let us have the fifth question, first part. Now see the fifth question. Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. AP series is given, that is 7, 13, 19, till 205. Means this is your finite AP because the last term is given, that is 205. So it is your finite AP. Now the solution for this we'll see, that is here we can write, we have AP equals to how much? 7, 13, 19, till 205. So here you can write here A, or we can write first term first, that is first term. A equals to what? You can see the first term of the AP, what is it? 7. So 7 will be there. Now difference, common difference, D equals to what? A2 minus A1, because it is in which form? AP. So put the value of A2. What is this A2? 13. And A1 is the first term, that is 7. So second term minus the first term. What you will get on subtraction? You will get 6. Okay. So D is what? Therefore D equals to what? 6. Okay. Now we have to find the number of terms. Means we have to find what? N. N we have to find. Because in the question what is given? Find the number of terms. So n will be the number of terms that we have to find. Now you can see the last term is given. In that AP last term is given. So L last term equals to AN equals to what? 205. It is given. Now AN formula we know, that nth term of AP. That formula will apply here. So AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This formula we are going to apply. Okay. So now we will put the values of AN, that is the last term, A, and then D. Then on solving we will get the value of N. Okay. So now let us see the question. That is 205 equals to A is how much? You can see the first term, A is 7 plus N minus 1 into D is how much? 6. So implies 205 equals to 7 plus, multiply with this, 6n minus 6 implies 205 equals to 7 minus 6 will be 1 plus 6n. Now on transposing, what you'll get? 6n equals to 205 minus 1 equals to 6n equals to 204 implies n equals to 204 upon 6. So you can see 6 ones are 6 threes are 18. Now remainder, that is 6 fours are 24. Therefore what? N equals to 34. So you can write hence 34th term, 34th terms are there in this AP. Okay, clear? Likewise, second question you have to solve as homework. Second question of fifth one is your homework. Okay, same way. Now sixth question is also your homework. Same question, same way you are going to solve. Okay, so in the sixth question it is given that check whether minus 150 is a term of AP, that is 11 8, 5, 2. Okay, so here you can see the series is in descending order. The sixth question you can see 11, 8. AP is, this is AP. Okay, AP is given as 11, 8, 5, 2, dot dot dot. Okay, and you have to check whether minus 150, you have to check. Okay, check whether this is the part of your AP or not. Okay, so what you will do, you take this as AN, and the first term of, you can see this is in descending order. Descending means your difference, common difference will be negative. Okay, D will be negative. So first term A will be 11, common difference 8 minus 11, D you will get, that is minus 3, and AN, that is minus 150. Okay, clear? So in that way, check whether 150 is there or not, whether N value you are getting or not. Okay, so that means what? AN formula you will apply, N minus 1. You have to do it as homework. Only hint I am telling. This is just a hint. Hint of sixth question. Okay. AN equals to N minus 1 into D. Here A is what? 11. Here D is what? Minus 3. So apply, and this is what? Minus 150. So put the values and get the value of N. If N is your natural number you are getting, natural number, then this will be minus 150 is a part of this series AP. If you are not getting, that is N value is coming in fraction, suppose, then you can write fraction, then you can write what? It is not a part of AP series. AP. Okay, clear? So you have to solve this. Hint I have given, using these values, you have to find whether 150 belongs to this series or not. Okay, clear children? So sixth question and fifth second part, both you do it as homework. Okay, now let us see the seventh question. Now let us see the seventh question, that is find the 31st term. Means A31 you have to find. Okay, you have to find what? A31. Okay, of an AP whose 11th term, that means A11 is how much? 11th term is 38, and 16th term means A16 equals to how much? 73. Clear? Like this question is given. Here no AP series, nothing. You have to find the value of A, then D, and then get the value of A31. Clear children? Understood? Find the 31st term, means A31 you have to find, where whose 11th term of AP is given as 38 and 16th term is given as 73. So now using that formula we know nth term 1. So A11 will be how much? A11 equals to A plus 11 minus 1, that is you can write AN. A formula directly write, first use the formula and then the application of it we'll see. AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This formula we are going to use everywhere. So now here 11th term how we will write? A11 equals to A plus, okay, 11, N is 11 here, 11 minus 1 into D. So implies, what is A11? Value is given as 38. So we'll put here A38 equals to what? A plus, because value of A is not known to us, so we cannot write that, and D is also not known, so we will not write that. 11 minus 1 will be how much? 10. 10D. Or I can write like this, A plus 10D equals to 38. So mark it as equation 1. Okay, now go to the second part. What is it? A16 equals to A plus 16 minus 1 into D. Same nth term formula we will use. Now put the values. A16 is how much? It is given in the book, that is 73. A is not known. Then 16 minus 1 will be 15 into D, because A and D is not known to us. So this also I can write as A plus 15D equals to 73. Mark it as equation 2. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So what you will write? On subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. We get what? Equation 2 first to write a plus 15d minus within bracket what? Equation 1 what is it? A plus 10d. 10d equals to what is the value? RHS value see 73 minus 38. Clear? So now implies what? A plus 15d, open the bracket, plus into minus minus a, this will be minus 10d equals to, on subtraction how much you'll get? That is 35. Okay, so now see, a plus a minus a cancel. Now 15d minus 10d will be 5d equals to 35, implies d equals to 35 upon 5 which is equals to 7. So value of d we got 7. So you can write implies d equals to 7. Now d value we got means from the first equation I can get the value of a, that is a plus 10d equals to how much? 38. So now put the value of d and get the value of a. So what it will be? A plus 10 into what is the value of d, that is 7 equals to 38. Implies what? A plus 70 because 10 7 is 70 equals to 38. Implies keep the variable here a and transpose this to that side. So a equals to 38 minus 70 which is equals to how much? On subtraction you will get minus 32. Is it not? So now a value is, you can write implies a equals to how much? Minus 32. Now a we got, d we got. So you can write therefore a is how much? Minus 32 and d equals to 7. On simplification we got it. Now what we are going to find? A 31. So you can write a 31. According to question you can write, according to question we have to find what? We have to find what? A 31. So implies a 31 equals to a plus 31 minus 1 into d. Now a value you got, d value you got. So put and get the value of a 31, that is a is how much? Minus 32 plus, on subtraction 31 minus 1 you will get 30 into d is how much? 7. So that is equals to minus 32 plus 21, 210. So that is, on subtraction how much you will get? That is 8. Okay, and then here 7 and then this. So you can write therefore a 31 equals to 178. Answer. This is the answer. Okay, clear? Therefore you can write hence a 31th term of AP is how much? 178. Okay. Likewise, you have again now 8th question. 8th question and 9th question. Solve it. Like the 7th question only, you have homework will be, or down I will write here, your homework question will be what? 8th and 9th questions. 8th and 9th questions will be the same way how we did 7th question. So solve this as homework.